going to build that red recorder button. It's fairly simple. I need to select the ellipse tool, hold Shift Alt, draw it out. It has a white color. I'll turn this the red recorder button, and I'm going to select the stroke, and I'm going to give it for the moment a black color. Okay, now I'm going to increase the stroke width to, let's say, 6 pixels. This is more like the recording button, except it's white on the outside. So let's do one more thing. Let's give this a background as well. I'll take this rounded rectangle tool and draw one here. Push it down, control left bracket, and just quickly set its stroke to none and give it more of a light, this shade, which would also be the part of the final shade. So I'm going to keep it in the center. Now what I need to do is I need to offset the path. What does that mean? That means I have this path, I want to set it off, which means I want this path to get copied and move out here. So if I do this, so from here, this area won't change, this area won't move, but I will do an operation from objects here, and it will offset the outer path to a new position. Let's see how we can do that. But one thing that I want to do in this case is I want to change the stroke setting. I can come here to strokes, and I want the align stroke to the outside. You will be able to understand the moment I apply the operation. So to offset the path, I'm gonna go here in objects and go down here to path. The reason why you can intuitively go to object is for all kinds of operation is because this is an object, and here we have a lot of operations on path, on its shape, and developing pattern, repeating, intertwining, blending, all sorts of things that we can do with this object. So I want to work with the path. I'll go here, so I'm going to select this offset path. So as you can see, it has already built another path, just 6 pixel, by offsetting it 6 pixel. What does offsetting by 6 pixel mean? It simply means by what distance from the outer edge should the new path be developed from here. This is the inside. The path was offset to here, and from here it is setting it out. Now it has 6 pixels selected automatically. It could have been something different, and it matches with the stroke width here. So this is the same stroke width. I'll apply OK. Don't change anything here. The round bevel, this is for different kind of operations that we'll do in the future. So you can just press OK, and now you have the new path. It says shape expanded, so you can go here and change its color to whatever. So now you can see below, basically it has regenerated the shape, but by offsetting the distance by 6 pixels further away from the center. So because if I push it out here, you can see there is a lower circle here. So I can select this one. This is the inner one, this is the outer one, and in this case also the alignment of the stroke is to the outside. So the inside here is fully red, the stroke is outside this alignment. So I can select this one, again go here in the object, go to path and offset the path by another 6 pixel if I want, and give it a different color if I want to. So by doing so, you can offset and create a lot of outside paths if you wish to. But I just need one. In fact, I don't need any. I just did it for fun because in my case, if I just want to build the recorder button, it's pretty much this. I just need to color the stroke with white color, and that's it. I have the pause button that I wanted to build. All I need to do is apply a gradient to this, which I'll do like so by putting it somewhere around this. Give it select the first corner, give it that light shape here and select this corner and giving it a much darker shade here. I can go in here and select something different. I can make it a little bit light and press OK, and that's it. It's this dual shape that I wanted to build, and our recorder button is all set. I can just pull it in. This is the icon on my phone. I'll group it together, and that's it. But through this I wanted to talk about how to offset the path.